everybody, it's Mercedes. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new home. So yes, if you watched my last video, you will know that I said I had something exciting in the works, and that exciting thing was that I actually purchased a home. This is actually my second home that I purchased, and this time I did something a little bit different. I actually purchased a home that required some renovations, so you can kind of say it was a fixer-upper. But yeah, so I went through the process of purchasing the home and doing the entire demolition and purchasing all of the materials and everything, appliances, pretty much everything was taken out of here and everything is brand new. So I'm very excited to share my new home with you guys, and I really wanted to do something interesting and take you guys along the process of me actually turning this place into what it is right now. So before I show you guys my new home, decor items, take you through that process, I do want to take you guys all the way back to the very beginning. Yes, and when I say beginning, I mean from what it looked like before to demolition to putting everything in brand new. So if you are interested in watching my journey, please stay tuned to my next couple of videos because I'm going to take you guys throughout the entire process. I just want to send a special shout out and thanks to my dad, who was also my agent, assisting me with buying this home. He actually assisted me with buying my first home. So yes, big shout out to my dad. Not only was he my agent, but he helped me to get the contractor so that I can get all of the renovations done in the home that you will see. He's definitely the real MVP, and without him, none of this would be possible. So shout out to my dad as well as my mom, because they have been very supportive to me in this entire journey. Of course, I am the one who purchased the home, but definitely without them, none of this could be possible. So just big shout out to my parents before we go any further. So yeah, so I'm really excited for you guys to see my new home and to see this journey that I went on. It was a very stressful journey, but it was all worth it in the end. So yeah, let's jump right into it.
Yeah, them bathrooms need to go.
They got to go.
Them things trash.
They're terrible.
Progress. Yes, indeed.
I'm just loving the windows. The reason why I got this place, the windows, the wall with the skylight, and then the fact that the master bedroom has high ceiling. It's like every place you go is like
It's bright in here. Yeah. You just need to change change those type of lights. Yeah.
First of all, that whole thing is